Thought I'd just do a quick tour of the bike and setup. I've gone with the Genesis steel frame. These are from UK and pretty indestructible frame. It's got the Shimano 105 gear. I've gone with these pedals here, which you got the flats on one side in case I want to wear thongs, and clips on the other. It's got the drop bars, which I've put some extra padding on. I've gone with the Brooks saddle, which has been a lifesaver, an arse saver. The front, I've got this handlebar bag, which I put my food and like just little snacks in and stuff I can have as I'm riding. It's pretty handy. Back, I've got this Coleman 24-hour cooler, which I just nabbed out of the garage and sort of just cut some little holes in it and strapped it to the bike. It was wobbling around a bit, so I put these little clips on, attached it to the seat. Oh yeah, you can see this guy. This is my little mascot that Dad made at a day centre a couple of years ago. Got this bag here at the front. Just keeps a couple of chargers and headphones and stuff in it. I've got this weird extension thing coming out of the frame at the front, and that's because there's nowhere to put a light up the top here. So I just bought this little extension, and it's really good because as I'm moving the handlebars around, the light doesn't shake around. These are the big panniers at the back, Arkel. These are from Canada, and they're pretty tough, like canvas sort of material. And the reason I got them was because of this. I could put the tent in at the back here, which I really like the spot for that. So that's pretty handy. It's my rear light, which sort of just unclips. You clip it back in. These tyres, I don't have any problems with these. I haven't had a puncture yet, so they've been pretty good. They're just, what are they? Schwabble Marathon. My bags at the front, just these waterproof salsa bags, and I just attach these little racks with some electrical cables